Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to solve sums on the basis of parallel lines and the angles made by them. Now here they have told that find A if AB is parallel to CD. That means this line is parallel to this and CD is parallel to EF. CD is parallel to EF and you have to find A. Okay. What have we learned children in angles made by a transversal in parallel lines corresponding interior. So we will use that and find out A. Now ये लाइन के ऊपर है 55 डिग्री. So ये भी 55 डिग्री हुआ because they are forming the same pattern. See, coming down, going towards your right. Coming down, going towards your right. And they both are parallel lines. If they are parallel lines, then corresponding angles are equal. So if this is 55, this is also 55, right? Now let me mark this as angle 1 children. So what will be angle 1? If this is 55, what will be this? Because AB is parallel to CD. That is given. So they are, what pattern is this 55 and angle 1? Yes, they are also corresponding angles because they are forming the same pattern and corresponding angles in parallel lines are equal. See children how? Standing line going towards your right. Standing line going towards your right. So angle 1 is also 55. But if you see this, right? This is the standing line like this and AB is standing on this like this perpendicular. And what have we learned children? This is angle 1 and this is angle A. What have we learned? That angles on a straight line or adjacent angles are always supplementary. So angle 1 plus angle A will give us, I'll write here, angle 1 plus angle A will give us 180 degree because they form a linear pair. So if angle 1 is 55 degree because they are corresponding angles, then what will be angle A? Angle A will be 180 plus 55 when it goes there, it becomes minus 55. 180 minus 55 is 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 125 degree. So angle A is 125 degree. Okay. Now let us go to this sum. Now here AB is parallel to CD. So this line is parallel to this line. Okay. And OAB is 100 degree. OA. AB. This is AB. See, they are touching here. So this is 100 degree. And OCD is 106. OC. And CD. This is CD. See, they are touching here. So this is 106. Find AOC. What is AOC children? AO. And where AO and OC meet, right? Because middle name we have to write 2 times. So where is AO children? AO is lying on AO here and OC here is here. So this is the angle formed. Sometimes with this figure will not be given or the measurements will not be given. So you should be able to mark it. That is why this explanation children. अभी हम ये कैसे find out करेंगे? We will construct a line OF. Okay, let us construct like this. Okay, so I am constructing a line. Construct OF parallel to AB and OF should be parallel to CD also. So I am constructing a line parallel to AB, parallel to CD. Why? Because I want to make use of corresponding angles, interior angles on the same side of the transversal. That's why. Now if you see children, now let me remove this X for time being. Okay. Now if I take this angle, what do you think? This angle and only this angle, half of X. Okay. This I am not taking into consideration. I am taking only these two lines. Okay. And let me extend this line. Okay. Now if I extend this line, right, and this is like this and this is like this and here it is 100 degree. So what do you think children will this be? This is lying between two interior angles, between two lines, so it is interior angles and both are lying on the same side of the transversal. So interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So if this is 100, this will be 80, because 100 plus 80 only will give you 180. So if this is 100, this will be 80 degree. You understood how? This is parallel to this. This is the transversal, and interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. मतलब इन दोनों को जोड़ेंगे तो 180 ही आना चाहिए. उसमें ये 100 है, this will be 80. Now let us do the same thing down also. This is a parallel line. These two are parallel lines. And now this transversal OC is like this. Okay. Now down it is 106. Then what will be this part? Only this part. Half. Okay. Now this is also interior angles on the same side, that is right side of the transversal. They are supplementary. So this is 106. So 180 minus 106 will give you 74. That means this is 74. Okay. Now this full is x. If this full is x, you have to just add this 80 plus 74. That is x is equal to 80 plus 74, 154 degree. That means this diagram in which they had asked us what is x, it is 154 degree. So hope you understood, children. How did we do the construction? And used interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Keep practicing so that you can learn many more sums and try to figure out. Bye for now.